Welcome to our tutorial on creating a sales hub in the DealerTeam sales app. The sales hub record captures information about a potential customer who shows interest. As a sales consultant, you can create a sales hub to assign ownership of customers and monitor the progress of a sales life cycle from beginning to end. To begin, open the DealerTeam sales app and locate the Sales Hub drop-down arrow in the tab bar. Now select New Sales Hub. Next, you'll need to choose the appropriate record type. Your organization may have custom record types, but for this example, we'll choose from the default options. You can select an existing account or create a new one if needed. Now it's time to input the customer's account information. Select one of the provided lead types based on the nature of the lead. Determine where the lead learned about the offer by selecting a source from the options provided. Choose the appropriate lead status reflecting the current stage of the lead in the sales process. Enter relevant details such as VIN, stock number, year, make, or model to search for the desired vehicle in the inventory. If the customer account information matches a suggested sales hub, you can choose to open the existing record instead of creating a new one. Click Create New. If you're a BDC rep working across multiple locations, you'll need to activate the In BDC toggle button and set the store location accordingly, in this case, Reading Motors. Once that's done, you can proceed to create a new sales hub just like before. The new sales hub will have a default store location of Reading Motors. Once the sales hub is created, you can enter who will be the salesperson selected to handle the lead from the BDC center. Lastly, we'll show you how to create a sales hub directly from the account record. This is useful when starting a new sales hub based on existing customer information. Go to your desired account and click Create Sales Hub. And there you have it. You now know how to create a sales hub in the DealerTeam sales app.